we're now going to add the properties of equilateral triangles. We've kind of talked about this already, but if I have an equilateral triangle, then I also know it is equiangular. And you can see that in this picture down here at the bottom. All sides are equal, which means all the angles across have to be equal, and therefore has to be 60 degrees. So now we're going to try and find some missing measures. You're first going to have to determine whether it is isosceles or an equilateral triangle. In this case, they want us to find angle y and side yz. So if I look at this, I know for a fact that it is at least isosceles, because I know that I have a side length of 8 and 8. So I know these two side lengths are equal. Let's try and find the angle measures first. The easiest way to do this is to subtract 60 from 180 right off the bat, because I know this angle x up here is 60 degrees, which gets us 120. Since 8 and 8 are equal, the angles across have to be equal. So we know that z and y are congruent. So we're going to take 120 divided by 2, and that's also going to get us 60. So angle y is 60, and since it's equiangular, it has to be equilateral, and therefore yz is also going to be 8 inches long. Coming down to this bottom one, 2a, it wants us to find the measure of angle M and PN. Well, this one we can definitely tell is not equilateral or equiangular. PM is quite a bit longer than the other side lengths. So we're going to start with PN. PN should be congruent to NM because the angles across are congruent, which means that this is going to be 11 centimeters. In order to find angle M, we're going to subtract 120 from 180 right off the bat to get a 60. So P and M together are 60. Since they're equal, we're going to divide it by 2. It's going to get us 30 degrees.